Hey everyone, so in today's video what I'll be showing you is how to convert a logo or any image into a 3D model inside Blender. So what you'll need is just Photoshop or any other software like GIMP, which is a free software. So what we are going to do is we are going to search for any kind of logo. So let's say we selected this logo. However, this is not the logo that we want because it has a backdrop like this. So what we want instead is a clean logo like this, right? So we're just going to select it and save this image as a PNG. We're just going to call it logo main. So now if we just inspect this image, we can see that the image is not actually transparent, rather it has a background which is a bunch of boxes, which means to imply that it's transparent, but it's not. So we need to remove the background. So what we're going to do is we are going to search for a website called remove.bg, right? So you can just upload your image right here. So I'm going to upload this logo main. Just open it and you can see it working its magic. So you can have two options right here. For the HD photo you need to sign up. So if you want to do that you can. For now, for the video's sake, I'm just going to download the low-res PNG. So after this, what you need to do is go into Photoshop or other softwares like GIMP. The process will be the same, so just follow along. So what you need to do is just open this transparent image that you got. Now while the image is selected and the layer is selected, you just need to go into the image at the top and just uh, go into adjustment and select the hue and saturation node and just turn down the lightness to 0 or -100 and just click OK. So after this you just need to export this as an PNG. I'm going to call it logo main black. Just going to close Photoshop so we don't need it. Now the work now we need to convert this image into an SVG format. So what we are going to do is type PNG to SVG. And you can see bunch of websites. There is also Adobe website, but I don't recommend this because it's not as good. So just going to go into this website which is called free convert. Just going to choose the file that we downloaded and just convert this into an SVG. Right, so we're going to download this, and now the part for the two browsers is finished. Now we need to go into the Blender. You can just delete everything that is in the scene and you can go into the file, import, and you can see a option for SVG format. Just going to select this and go into the place where you exported your SVG format. So I'm going to select this and hit import SVG. So as you can see, I've just imported this 3D model. This is a 3D model of our logo. However, we need to do some changes to it. So we just need to convert this into a mesh format. So you just right click and go into convert to into mesh. Right, so it's a mesh now. So what we need to do then is go into shading tab. You need to hit use nodes. You can zoom into the logo and then you need to select the original texture for this model. So we are going to press Ctrl T. Now if you don't see this, you need to go into edit preferences, into add-ons, and just click node wrangler and just select this. So after that you need to open your logo, this image which is a colored logo. So we are just going to open this and we are going to go into UV. So that's already selected. Now you are going to go into the top mode. You can select the tilt key which is below escape key and you can just go top view. Then you can select, go into edit mode, you can select all, and you can hit U for UV unwrap, and you can just select project from view. After this, you need to go into UV editing, and you can just select everything with A and just scale this and just adjust it so that it fits just inside this, right? You might need to tweak it a bit, but yes. So after this, you can see that if we go into the render preview mode right here, you can see that we have our logo right here. So now to give it a 3D look, we are just going to go into edit mode once again, select everything, and hit E for extrude and just move it down a bit. And I can see that it has some volume. You can also shade it auto smooth so it's smooth along this surface. Now what you can imagine is it being in a game. Suppose you made a pizza game, so you can have it like as a logo for your shop, right? So this will be your logo, and yeah, so basically you can select any images that you want off of this whole list. It just needs to be so that it doesn't have any shadow, and it needs to be black. So you can just go into remove background, you can just convert it into a black image, and then you can just convert it into a SVG and just follow the whole process that I told you. So thank you for watching, and I'll be making more such tutorials. If you like it, please like the video, and if you have any more ideas for the next upcoming videos, so you are free to comment down them in the section below.